chicken and broccoli meatballs in the oven. That's my lunch today. Very, very versatile, very easy. Look at that. Have a look at that cheese melting there. Beautiful. Very delicious. You can find the recipe on my website. Chicken and broccoli meatballs done in the oven. So easy and not a lot of oil. You don't actually need oil at all. They come out absolutely delicious. These are absolutely delicious. Take a look at these. Got them in the oven, and so you don't use no oil whatsoever. Really nutritious, and you can make a yogurt and lemon sauce, or you can do a nice mayonnaise with some lemons to go with it. And the kids, it's easy, it's quick. Have a look at that. Absolutely delicious. I put mozzarella cheese in with them, and they're absolutely delicious.